Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions here with a super quick stock market update. I hope that you guys learned something new, and if you do, please consider dropping a thumbs up. Friendly reminder, there will be a speech tomorrow at 12. I actually want to show you this very quickly. So even before we start talking about the NASDAQ being up after market hours, tomorrow at 12 p.m., which is 2.5 hours after the market opens, right? So 12 p.m. Eastern time, we have a speech by Governor Christopher Waller, and it's on an economic outlook. I do not expect this to have really any form of influence on the overall market. Again, he's just a governor. With that being said, I want to make sure that, because it's actually listed here on the federalreserve.gov website, that you guys were made aware. I never know, right, if it's actually going to influence the overall market. Just 2.5 hours after the market opens, if you begin to see that the market begins to kind of trade sideways and or change directions quickly, just know that, he is set to speak during that time. So $14,000 on the day. Very grateful for how today played out. But let's talk about where the NASDAQ market is at right now. Right now, we are up 0.45%, which means that TQQQ is triple leverage, right? So it'd be up 3 times that. So up nearly 1.5% if the market were to be open right now. So it looks like we're finally beginning to indicate signs of some higher highs and higher lows. We're no longer making these lower highs and lower lows like we've been showing with the overall market. I think we could use QQQ as an example. If we look at this on the 1 hour time frame, we could see that now it's beginning to do something that it hasn't really been doing lately. On the 1 hour, you almost can't see it because we're still trading below this moving average, which is very important to pay attention to. But if you look at the 30-minute time frame for QQQ, check this out. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to this, but we've been talking about it all week. This moving average on the 30-minute time frame has been acting as a resistance level, right? Even from last week when Jerome Powell spoke, this was about 10 days ago, when he spoke on August 26th, and it's when the market aggressively sold off and when I shorted the market, right? We aggressively sold off. Every time that we tried to recover, we got rejected. Tried to recover, we got rejected. We got very close, we got rejected. And it looked like we were approaching that same resistance yesterday, right? It's what I talked about in my video yesterday. We're at what I like to call these are critical points, where we're at a point where we tend to get rejected or when we tend to establish a support level, where it could go either way, right? Based off of previous patterns, I wanted to play it more safe, so I reduced my position size. When I got confirmation, I stepped on the gas. Looks like direction is now in our favor. We still need to make some higher highs and higher lows above this moving average and this EMA line. They're definitely not all indicating signs of an uptrend. It's great that we broke above the moving average, but there's many times that we could break above and then we just sell right back off. One of the things that I want to remind you, even for tomorrow, even if we pull on back, all I really want to focus on is for QQQ to hold above the moving average. I don't care if it pulls on back. It just needs to hold above the moving average, and that would be a step in the right direction. That would be a higher low. If it finds a support here and then it continues to recover, that would be a step in the right direction and something to look forward to, especially for all of you long-term traders and investors. I'm very excited to follow up. I wanted to keep today's video super short and sweet. I had a very long day. We are planning our next kind of like staycation giveaway. And we have some fun things planned for you guys. So for all of our new Learn Plan Profit members, friendly reminder to set your alarms. I trade live right at market open. If you're thinking about joining, if you end up joining our Learn Plan Profit group by tonight, friendly reminder, the second link down below will get you $100 off Learn Plan Profit 2.0. You can watch me trade live every day, even as soon as tomorrow. And again, that's that second link down below. So if you have any questions whatsoever about what we talked about today, even if you want to be able to watch me trade live, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that first link in the description of this video. But again, if you're ready to join our team and you're ready to watch me trade live as soon as the market opens tomorrow, then again, click that second link, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit 2.0 team, and see if it's a good fit for you. And again, $100 off is one of the biggest discounts that we offer, so make sure that you're aware of that. One of the last things that I want to remind you is that this is our last day. This giveaway ends tomorrow, September 9th. And again, our last day. We're giving away a brand new iMac. It's the exact computer that I use to trade in the stock market, and it's super simple to enter. Right now, we're doing double the points. So for every $1 you spend, it equals 10 automatic entries. So if you pick up a shirt, like the shirt that I'm wearing, right? A nice little Wall Street shirt, A $25 shirt would get you 250 automatic entries towards the iMac giveaway. Just want to make sure that you're aware if you wanted to pick up some art. A mouse pad would get you 300 automatic entries. And again, this is all available at shoptechbuds.com or the fourth link in the description of this video. For those that are going to be asking, I am using the Webull trading platform. And if you want to download it for free and earn up to 12 free stocks, make sure you use the fifth link down in the description. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that I earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.